Hi guys, welcome to day one of rebuilding my home. I started off by removing my seat. Day two was a bit more work. I had to clear out my van so that I can start working on it. To be honest, I didn't realize how much stuff I had crammed in every corner until I had to take it all out. So if you're ever feeling like you don't have much, take it out, lay it on the ground, and you'll be surprised. These are a pain to take apart. I almost gave myself a black eye just trying to remove the legs. Also, sorry for the high-pitched sound you've been hearing. There's something wrong with the internal mic on the phone that I was recording, but I just got a new one, so future videos should be all good. Let me show you what I'm doing. I'm trying to take these velvet pieces off. I was able to rent out tools from my library, so I didn't have to spend any money.
So that's this guy. 5'7", oops. 5'7", and then you want some clamps to clamp this down.
Okay.
Right?
Yes, please.
Okay.
So I'm saying okay because I'm learning. As you're telling me, I didn't know I needed those things.
Just watch a quick YouTube video.
Yeah.
Yeah, you'll see a little bit how to set it all up.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So you got that all till next Saturday.
All right. Thank you so much.
Okay.
So I did end up asking my brother for help. I could have done it alone, but it was just so much more fun to have him involved. With the bed, I basically bought a bed off of Facebook Marketplace. Yes, it is a toddler bed. But listen, I didn't want to spend so much money on wood, and also it's basically the end of summer, so I didn't really want to start fresh. I just wanted to buy something off of Facebook Marketplace and just get creative and customize it to fit my car.
No.
You said that way because
yeah,
it's more structured, but then
And
what
then-
was it doing? Was it in front of?
Wait, let me see.
Did we have to cut? Look at that smile on her face. I definitely should not have been trusted with that saw. Let's see. Is there any poking? I found 2 pieces of plywood that I think I might get. There's this one. I think if I just cut it in half, it'll be plenty enough. The only thing is I don't know if it's thick enough. Right? So there's that one. And then there's also this one. And I think I should go for this one right here, but maybe I'll buy both depending on the price. But yeah, I think this one would be perfect. So let's go see how much they both are. Listen, wood at Home Depot is expensive. Plus, I didn't really need that much, so I wanted to just find some recycled plywood. And this sheet was perfect. That's fine. I'm sure.
There we go.
Oh, sweet. I'm so glad it worked. Thank you so much.
Cool.
Doors won't close?
No, they'll close.
Oh, thank you.
Got your keys.
Yes. Yes. I really appreciate it. I have so much vacuuming to do. So I only made it so that it only covers the side door here, you know? But it's perfect. I'm telling you, you don't have to start from scratch. I got this kitchen on Facebook for $70. All I had to do was just add some wheels so that it was easy to move around. It's not custom built for my car, but it did fit and it was exactly what I needed. Alright, so this was the day I was most excited for, but I was also dreading. All the building is finished. All I had to do was just spend all day cleaning my car so that I could move in. I've had my Element for a year now, and we've been through quite a bit, even through a breakup, and it's sheltered me when I've needed it the most. So I was happy to give it some TLC. So many areas to clean. But we're just gonna take our time and just completely clean my car, you know? This was the last bit I had to do. I know my mom's gonna be so mad when she knows I used her fillet knife to cut my sponge. But anyways, I'm gonna end the video here and then give you guys a tour in the next one. I know I hate when people do that, but there's a lot to show you and I think it'll be a really fun surprise. So I'll see you in the next video.